Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how I remove gel polish from my nails. You need a nail file, foil, cotton balls, 100% pure acetone, an orange stick, and two buffers, one fine and one slightly rougher. You'll also need a scissors. Let's get started. You're going to cut the foil in strips that can wrap around your fingernail. Next, we're going to rip the cotton into smaller pieces that can just fit to the top of your nail bed. Use the file to buff the top layer of gel polish from your nail. Next, I saturate the cotton with acetone, put it on the top of my nail bed, wrap the foil around my nail, and then fold it. I wrap all of my nails and then wait about 20 minutes and remove them. I then take the orange stick and gently start scraping the lifted gel polish from my nails. And then use the buffer that's slightly rougher to get off the excess gel polish from my nails. This usually takes off whatever is remaining. Now I'm going to use the buffer that is finer to smoothen my nails. I then use the file to give my nails the shape that I want. I usually like mine square. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't be. I'm now gonna take the orange stick
to push my cuticles back and clean under my nails.
Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open. Take the high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a magnet. Open up, open.
When I'm done with this step, I wash my fingers and apply either cuticle oil or vitamin E oil on my fingers. And then voila! All of the gel polish is off and my nails are nice and clean, ready for the next application.